Mal-mogħdija taż-żmien ngħaddu wkoll għal programmi kulturali ġodda. It-tim tagħna għadda sal-Mitħna il-qalba tal-Fondazzjoni Gabriel Caruana biex jistaqsi dwar il-programm artistiku mħejji għar-rebbiegħa.
After spending a lot of time in public spaces in Malta studying them, and also with the experience of public spaces by living here as a citizen, I noticed that very often the body is in a state of stress. I wanted to learn a different way of relating to these spaces. We can't change them, they're always going to be like that. So I wanted to change my relationship to them.
Our spring program basically is there to support artists in a variety of manners. So we're open for artistic practices that focus on research, that focus on experimentation, and we develop thematics that artists can also explore and respond to.
Over the years, after quite a few years of research and trying different things, I landed on a field of practice called post-humanism, which is a field where we're thinking about the human in a different way, not just as a single unit that ends in our skin, but as a system of components that relates to all the factors in the environment. And with all of these factors in mind, I tried to start from one specific action that's totally relating to my body, which is touch. And through touch, we can harness so much knowledge and so much information. First of all, I'd like to communicate that the simple act of touching is so powerful, and just taking the time to slow down and engage in touch with our environments. First of all, it's quite soothing in many ways, and yes, especially in public spaces, this can seem strange and obscure, and this is one of the reasons why I'm using the term alien, because I do feel like an alien wandering through space in this way. I would love for people to somehow find a new way of relating with the spaces around them, with the materials around them, and also to see their bodies somehow as a tool for knowledge that we don't need to put words on. We can just harvest into our bodies and find ways to be better humans somehow.
So the Spring Artistic Program by the Gabriel Caruana Foundation is supported by Arts Council Malta, and the solo exhibition by Florenda Camilleri is also supported and partly funded by the European Union through the Culture Moves Europe.